my life. Oh, I think I'm not really sorry. People thinking about me. Every day you disturb my life to try to destroy my kingdom. I don't know that it's gonna about me from my own. You food sick, you hear the many things about the life. You want to see me, you try to fire me. I not understand that it's gonna about me. I call my mother to say everything to the mother too. You see, forget about the things gonna about you. The time will come, everything be changed. I know, understand that and mama to see me. I try to follow the thing. I don't know. It is combined to fight against my life. From my home, my family, to plan to destroy my life. Oh, everything is gone about me. I'm not shaking about the life. I'll get the secrets of the life of the 6 years ago. But people thinking so. No matter how you stay, I'll be right. The people still say I'm dying. I will try to play to God. God try to protect me. My enemies to try to destroy my life. Every I am a prayer. Every day I pray to God. God try to protect me from my enemies to fight against my life. Mama, it is my sisters for family to plan to my back, to decide the thing I don't think about the thing, to say to the people still say I'm a wicked man. I know, I know, I know, I never forget the thing. For now, the God be healing me, I'm okay for my life. This life is not so easy, people take their life so easy for you. To